morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today I will explain you the numerical of pressure, force and area. As you already know that pressure is force per unit area. Force is push or a pull, and area is length into width. For the numericals, we need to know the formula for pressure, for force and for area, and this triangle is here, which will make it easy to learn all these formulas. Now pressure, if you need to find out the formula for pressure, then pressure is equals to force upon area. So the formula for pressure is force upon area. Then if you need to find out the formula for force, then force is equals to pressure into area. Formula for force is pressure into area. Then next is area. If you need to find out the formula for area, then area is equals to force upon pressure. So these are the three formulae, and with the help of these formulae we will find out the force, pressure and area. You already know the unit for pressure. It is measured in newtons per meter square or newtons per centimeter square. It depends in what is given in the question. Then force is measured in newtons, so the unit of force is newtons and can be also represented by capital N. Then next is area. Area is measured in meter square or centimeter square. An important note is, it's useful to know that 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. This you need to remember. 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. Length conversions. The base unit for length conversion is meter. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. When we are converting from big unit to small unit, then we multiply. For example, if we are converting meters into centimeters, meter we know it's a big unit and centimeter is the smaller one. So when we are converting any bigger unit into smaller unit, then we multiply. And if any small unit is there and we need to convert it into big unit, then we divide it. For example, if we are changing centimeter square into meter square, so what we will do, we will divide it. So let's start with our first numerical. Find the pressure exerted by a force of 8,000 newtons on an area of 25 meters square. Give your answer in newtons per square meter. Now in this question, we need to find out the pressure, and two things are given us, that is force and area. So we will write data first. Force is given us, that is 8,000 newtons, and area is also given us, that is 25 meters square, and pressure we need to find out. We don't know what is pressure, so for this we will write the formula for pressure. So pressure is equals to force upon area. So for the solution we will write the first thing is we will write the formula. Pressure equals to force upon area. Now we will put values. The value for force is given us, that is 8,000 newtons, and the value of area is 25 meters square. We will simply divide it, and the answer is 320 newtons per square meter. So in this way we will find the pressure which is exerted on the given area. Second example now. A crate exerts a force of 120 newtons on a table. The pressure on the table is 15 newton per square meter. Calculate the area of the crate that is in contact with the table. Include suitable units. Here the force is given us, that is 120 newtons. So we will start with writing data. Force is 120 newtons, and the next is what? Pressure. Pressure is 15 newton per square meter. Calculate the area. So we need to find out the area. We don't know what is area, so we will write the solution for it. And for solution, first thing is we write the formula. For the formula for area, is force upon pressure. Now we will put the values. The value of force is 120 newtons, and the value of pressure is 15 newton per meter square. Now divide it, and we will get the answer 8 meter square. The area is 8 meters square. Our third example is a box is placed on the floor. The area of the box in contact with the floor is 2.4 meters square. Pressure exerted on the floor is 16 newton per square meter. Work out the force exerted by the box on the floor. Okay. Now area is given us, that is 2.4 meters square. And pressure is given us, that is 16 newton square meter. And what we need to find out? Force. We write solution. thing in solution is our formula. Okay, here force is equals to pressure into area. Okay, so the formula for force is pressure into area. Now we'll put the values. The value for pressure is 16 Newton per square meter multiplied by the area, and area is 2.4 meter square. Let's multiply it, and the answer is 38.4. We all know the unit for force is newtons. Okay, example number 4. Now this is a bit difficult one, not so difficult. If you remember the second slide, find the pressure exerted by a force of 240 newtons on an area of 30 centimeters squares. Give your answer in Newton meter square. Now there's a small problem, that is that the area is given us in centimeters squared and our answer should be in meters squared. So if you remember, in one of the previous slides I have told you that 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter squares. Let's write the data. What is given us here? Force 240 newtons and area, that is 30 centimeters, and we need to find out definitely the pressure. And first of all, we need to convert the centimeter square into meter square. I have already told you that if from smaller unit to bigger unit we will convert, then we divide. So here what we have, centimeter square, and we need to change it into meter square. So smaller to bigger unit we divide. So this 30 centimeter will be divided by this 10,000 centimeters square, and we will get the answer, that is 0.003 meters square. 0.003 meter square. So our area in meter square is this. This is our area basically. So let's write the solution now. The formula is, we need to find the pressure, and we know what is pressure. Force upon area. Now we'll put the values. Force is 240 newtons. Area is, we will write this one, which is in meter square. So area is 0.003 meter square. Now easily we can get the answer in Newton per square meter. So divide it, 240 divided by 0.003, and the answer is meters. So in this way we can find out the pressure. If area is given us into centimeter, we will convert it into meters. Okay students, this is your homework. Numericals are given here, so try to solve these numericals in your science exercise books. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.